Hey y'all. Alright, rained hard all last night. And got 12 miles. I got one like 2,400 foot ascent up to Chestnut Nut, or Chestnut Knob. Yeah, it's supposed to be a really cool stone building. 4 sides and a door and all that good stuff. So I do have a pretty major river crossing coming up in about 4 miles. Yeah, we'll see. I'm interested to see if it's as bad as they say, especially with all the rain we had, but we'll see. And I'll check in with you then. Alright, bye. So, not going to get as far as I wanted to today. The river is just another mile down at the bottom of this mountain, but ran into another hiker that said was normally like knee-high water is up to his neck, and it's raging. So, and I got a big ass storm coming in over here. So I just went ahead, pitched my tent, and it's like 3:30 right now, I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day and hunker down for this storm and get up in the morning and figure out about crossing that river. And got like a 2,000 foot ascent tomorrow. I did 2 1,000 foot ascents. One might have been a little bit more, I don't know. But anyway, it's a hot, muggy day, and it rained all last night, so that's why the river is up. But again, it's a beautiful day, and all the rhododendrons in bloom. So yeah, let me get my tent, inside of my tent set up, and get some food going. And yeah, and just know that I love y'all, and keep loving on each other, okay, out there? Alright, I'll check in with you later. Alright, bye.